Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by signing into Blogger and confirming you have editor access. Without that, you cannot change themes. Once signed in, immediately back up your current theme to avoid data loss and save that XML file to a safe folder. Next, open the theme area and choose Customize to use the visual editor or edit HTML for code changes. Make sure you note any custom widgets or scripts so you can restore them later. This saves time if you revert. You now decide whether to modify the current theme or install a new one. If you use Customize, change colors, layout, and fonts and click Preview to inspect on desktop and mobile. To install a downloaded theme, open Theme Restore and upload the XML file, preview before making it live. If you need advanced edits, choose Edit HTML, use Search to find elements, make small changes, and test repeatedly in Preview to avoid breaking layout or widgets. You finish by applying the theme and thoroughly checking the site, header, post formatting, gadgets, and mobile responsiveness. Once done, clear your browser cache or open an incognito window if you don't see updates. If something breaks, restore the backup. XML you saved earlier to revert immediately, then reintroduce changes incrementally. Make sure to re-add any custom widgets or scripts manually. If an HTML change caused the issue, undo recent edits or replace the specific code block rather than the whole theme.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.